Hello there, my friends. How do you make a playlist on YouTube? This is like not as intuitive as one would think it would be. So you might go into like YouTube Studio, obviously. You have your own YouTube channel and you want to make a playlist, right? So go to Content here. Go over to Playlists, right? So I want to make a new playlist for a video that I don't have on a play. I actually have it on a different playlist. But anyway, I want to make a new playlist. So I'm going to go over to videos, right? And here you can type in, like, I typed in Dolmenwood. I just typed in Dolmen because I want to put this Dolmenwood video in a playlist. I want to actually put all of these in, but we have to start the playlist first. So this is the original one that I posted, and it's got some views. So we're going to put this in a playlist because a friend of mine's going to link to it. So what I want to do is I want to watch this video. So you want to press on the video, right? You want to actually go to the watch page. So hit the video link underneath it right here, and then you actually get
Fentanyl is wreaking havoc on Pennsylvania. Hedge fund.
I don't want to watch that with noise, so I'm going to turn out the noise. And we got to get through this commercial first. But once we do, we go down to here. It's a terrible commercial. All these political commercials, just terrible. All right, we can skip the commercial. We go down here. This is the video that I want, right? No, I don't want a free month of that. Okay, I'm going to hit pause. All right, so go over here and these three dots over here and hit save, right? So we're going to hit save. And then that brings up this dialog box here. So write down, we could save it to a playlist here if we wanted to. So we could save it to D&D, that sort of thing. I'm going to hit create new playlist. So we're going to enter the title of our playlist, right? So we're going to call it we're going to call it D&D Old School Dolmenwood Winter's Daughter. Okay, and we're going to make this a public playlist. Anybody can search for it because we want people to search for it. We're going to create it. So now this is in my playlist. So now if I go back to YouTube Studios, go to playlists, I should have that as one of my playlists now. So let's see. Filter playlists by title. We're going to look for D&D. Apply. So there's my new playlist right here. D&D Old School Dolmenwood Winter's Daughter. And now I can go here to properties. I can add a description if I want. I can sort the videos according to newest and oldest. And yeah, so there's my new playlist. So that's how you create a new playlist in YouTube Studio. All right, have a great day. I hope this helped you. If it did, smash like. If you have any questions, let me know, and I'll talk to you on the next one. Take care.